Alright guys, so today we're going to talk about the exhaust manifold that we built for the Rotary Roo, I think is what we're going to call this thing. But yeah, so here we got the exhaust manifold. So it's two rotor. We did schedule 10 2-inch runners. This is 321 material that we got from Ace Race. So as far as I know, they're the only company that sells the 321 stainless steel, which is what we have a lot of experience with building with our Subaru rotated kit. 321 holds up exceptionally well to heat. Schedule 10, it's very thick, it's very heavy. We thought about doing a tubular manifold, but based off of the twins, the weight, we thought we'll just go with something that's super stout, super heavy, and roll the dice. So this has all been back purged, 321. Garrett's got these really nice flanges for the G series turbos that welded up incredibly well. Our head flange, if you will, for the rotary housings came from JMF Fabrications. That's 3/8. I wanted something a little bit thicker, but couldn't find anything that was reasonably priced that was the thickness that we wanted. There are some offerings out there, but they're pretty expensive. So yeah, we're controlling the boost on this project with this Tial 60 mil V60 wastegate. Tial's always been the go-to company for us for all of our boost control methods of getting those gases bypassed from the turbine housing. These guys make a killer product. It's light. I mean, I could just let this thing sit on my desk and just stare at it all day. So because we're going to try to keep the boost exceptionally low for what we think might be some traction issues for cornering, we wanted to be able to bypass as much of the exhaust gases pre-turbo as we could. So that's why we went with the 60 mil. We got a nice priority set up for the wastegate. So off of these 2-inch primaries, we have some 1.5 321 schedule 10, and then that merges into a single 2-inch 90 to allow the V60 to fit on there. The OD on this schedule 10 2-inch is about 2.25. So most of these flanges fit like right in there, dead nuts, and we just burned them in. So super stoked with how this turned out. We'll be starting to plan the down pipes and the wastegate dump tube setup over the next couple of days as well. Trying to decide if we're going to muffle the dump tube, just because it's a rotary. It's got a massive street port and it's going to be loud. Not quite peripheral port loud, but loud enough to where we're thinking about putting a muffled dump tube on there, just so you know, for other competitors, it's not like, you know, it doesn't just like tear their eardrums out. So we'll be shooting some flames, making some noise, rapping, I guess is what they call that. So we'll figure that all out, and yeah, welcome to the Rotang life.